GPIO pin and GPIO port. When getting started in embedded programming, GPIO pins, which stand for General Purpose Input Output, are one of the first things played with. It's also quite evident that the most popular Hello World program in embedded system programming is Blinky, that is an LED connected to pin on the microcontroller that keeps blinking. The use of GPIO is not limited to driving LEDs but can be also used for reading digital signals, generating triggers for external components, issuing interrupts, waking up the processor, and many. In this section, let's begin with some of the must-know concepts of GPIOs. These concepts are generic and can be applied to whatever microcontroller you have at your hand. A GPIO port is a collection of some fixed numbers of I/O pins which are analogous to a C port, which is having few boards. In this figure, you can see that GPIO port A is a collection of 16 I/O pins. We can say that GPIO port A is 16-bit wide and each pin refers to a corresponding bit of the GPIO port registers. GPIO port of different microcontrollers may have the different number of pins. For example, 8051 based microcontroller supports port of 8 I/O pins. In the case of LPC2148 NXP microcontroller, support GPIO port of 32 I/O pins. STM32F4XX based microcontrollers support GPIO port of 16 I/O pins.